In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Asana into a CRM in just 5 minutes. We'll walk you through the process so by the end, you'll have a dynamic CRM system right inside Asana. Let's dive in. First things first, head on over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you're an existing user, simply click on Log In to access your dashboard, and if you're new to Asana, no worries. Just click on Get Started or Try for free to create an account. Once you're logged in, it's time to set up your project. From your dashboard, click on Create New Project and then select Blank Project. For our example today, we'll create a Sales CRM. Go ahead and name your project something along those lines like Sales CRM. Now, when it comes to the view layout, Asana offers two main options, List and Board. If you prefer a more structured layout, the list view is for you. On the other hand, if you're a fan of Kanban style workflows, the board view might better suit your needs. Choose the one that works best for your style. Next up, let's define your key sales stages. These will act as your columns or sections in the CRM. In the list view, begin by creating sections for each stage of your sales process. Typical sections include lead generation, qualification, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won, and closed lost. This setup will help streamline your sales tracking. For each potential deal, go ahead and create a task within Asana. Each task will be a new sales opportunity. It's vital to include all essential details in the task description to keep everything organized and accessible. Add the company name, contact details, estimated value, deadline, and any key notes or updates pertaining to the deal. Asana also allows you to add custom fields to your tasks, an incredibly useful feature for tracking critical sales information. You can create fields for deal value, deal stage, using a drop-down to specify the stage, priority from low to high, and the expected close date. These fields will make it easy to sort, filter, and report information in various ways. To enhance collaboration, invite your team members to join in. You can add them as task assignees or followers. By doing so, everyone can stay updated with task comments, attached files, and status updates, ensuring seamless communication and efficiency. It's also crucial to stay on top of timelines. Set due dates for each stage in your sales process to ensure you meet deadlines and keep the pipeline moving smoothly. And here's a pro tip. Leverage Asana's reporting feature to create insightful dashboards. By doing this, you can track important sales metrics like the number of deals in each stage, the total deal value, and your progress toward reaching sales goals. That's it. By following these steps, you've transformed Asana into a fully functional CRM, helping you manage your sales process with ease and clarity. Thanks for watching and happy selling.